Hey there, CC Tan here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how RSS feeds works in HighLevel Social Planner. Don't worry, I'll make this super simple, and by the end of this video, you'll see how RSS can save you tons of time managing your content. But before we dive into that navigation, let's first understand what is RSS. First of all, RSS stands for really simple syndication. This is the ugly code that actually looks like an HTML, and it's not designed for us people. It's really designed for programs to pull in contents like title, images, and links from all different sources like your blogs or your websites. The idea is very simple. You basically plug different RSS feeds into readers like HighLevel Social Planner, and it automatically checks for new updates. So in today's video, my goal is to show you how you can actually get that done inside of HighLevel. So let's see how that works. Now, let's take a look at exactly how you can create a post using RSS feed inside of HighLevel Social Planner. Once you're logged in inside of your HighLevel account, navigate over to the marketing section, and then from here under Social Planner, click on New Posts and click on RSS Post. Notice that the first thing it's going to ask you is going to be your RSS feed URL. You can get this if you have a website like WordPress or any public website. You can get this by going into your website link, and then from here, just type in /feed. For you to know whether you have the correct URL, you can just type in /feed. And once you see this ugly HTML coding, this is what it looks like to make sure that you do have a valid URL. So once you have that, click on or copy and paste that inside of the RSS feed URL. And then from here, you can make a decision on which social accounts you want this feed to automatically post. You do have an option to select all accounts, meaning if you have your YouTube account connected inside of HighLevel, you can click on that, LinkedIn, Instagram, and even Facebook page and other social media accounts that you have connected. So in my example right now, I only have Facebook page connected. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Facebook. So in here, you will see the actual preview of what HighLevel captured inside of your RSS feed. And here you can see the photo, you can see the text, the title, and all of the contents coming from your blog. In here, you also have an option to customize the end with. For those who've seen this the first time, end with is basically appending the end of the text for each post. So for example, you want to say via HighLevel, just so that you can easily recognize that all of these posting came from HighLevel. You can add that end with text, or you can also replace it with check it out hashtags, right? So this appends basically what you see at the end of every post. The other thing that you can actually set up is going to be the frequency of how frequent you want to have HighLevel check the feed, whether that's once a day, every 2 hours, every 6 hours. You have all these options to be able to select how often do you want HighLevel to check on your feed. So here, let's just make it default in once a day. And then finally, you have the maximum posts per update. So what this actually means is being able to limit articles per update. So meaning you get to choose how many articles you want to post each time HighLevel gets that update coming from your feed or from your blog site. So here you can choose between 1 to 5. So let's say you want to do like 2 every update. So you can go ahead and click on that as your default option. So now that you have made all these customization for your RSS posts, you can go ahead and click on create posts. And now that's all set up inside of your HighLevel. So now if you want to go ahead and modify this right after setting it up, you can always go back to the social planner section, click on content and RSS, and then from here, you get to delete or edit that existing RSS feed. Now, once this is all set up, you don't have to do a thing because it's all automatic, meaning the social planner of HighLevel checks the RSS feed daily or however often you set it in the beginning. If you want to see what's scheduled to go out, you can go back to the social planner tab, and then from here, click on the calendar section. And here you would see what's scheduled in the next couple of days. So yeah, basically social planner, RSS feed, bridge that that gap in being able to takes content from your blog or from your website and shares it with your different social media accounts. So that's it. Basically, RSS feeds in HighLevel Social Planner make it really easy to stay consistent in your social media without lifting fingers. So set it up once and let it do the heavy lifting for you. If you do have any question, leave it in